In this video I'm going to show you how to download CapCut on Windows laptop. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, search for Microsoft Store, then enter, and as you can see it's loading, and here is searching bar. Search for CapCut, then enter, and after that, as you can see, first result is CapCut video editor. So here is some preview about CapCut. So then click on install. Its rating is 4.7, that means it's good, and its size is almost 600 megabyte. So make sure you have enough space in C drive. So CapCut, download and install it, and just close Microsoft Store and searching for CapCut here. So click to open, and here is also created a shortcut on my desktop. So testing environments first of all. So you need to wait few moment so your computer can run CapCut smoothly. So click on confirm. After confirming, it's open main window, I think. Then click on agree and continue. So here it is CapCut homepage. You can maximize it and click on new project. So as you can see, this is the editing panel. You can import video, audio here, and here is the timeline and is the player. So I'm going to import an sample video, or as you can see. So yes, so yeah, that's it. That way you can download and install CapCut on Windows laptop. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next